Alright, we're going to look at visitor management for staff and vendors today. So, I'm going to pull up Derek Coates here. You see we've got the visitor management tab. If I click on that, I see that I have a lot of options here. I'm going to show you real quick. Steve Sanders here, if I click on visitor management for him, it tells me to specify a mobile number in the staff vendor profile here. Basically, Steve's phone number's not in there, so we can't do any of the visitor management stuff because that's all run through the Blue Sky app. So I'm going to go back to Derek Coates here, vendor management, or visitor management, sorry. And I've got an option here for enable PIN functionality for the staff member. Unlike residents, I don't have an option to send out Bluetooth credentials, basically because I'm not living in a unit. I don't need to be sending out the Bluetooth. If I need to send them out, I send them out through the software to the specific person. But I could do PIN management, so maybe I want to send a PIN code out to FedEx to get in the front door for an after-hour delivery. Or I've got some service company coming in, I need to get them through the front door so that they can come in and do some service work while I'm not on site. I could use the Blue Sky app on my phone to send a PIN number out to them. So right here I've got enable PIN functionality. It's set to yes. I can turn that off. Maximum number of active pins. Remember on our residents we had that set to 4, I believe. I've got it set to 5 here. I can't go any higher, but I can go lower. I can increase that in system settings to go higher, but we had limited it to 5. Maximum delay we had limited to 0. Maximum time PIN is active. Remember, residents I can only go up to 15. That's the max. Well, staff can go up to 30 if they want to. This means that this PIN could be active for 30 days. Maybe I've got somebody coming in doing regular work and I need to give them a PIN that's good for 30 days. I can lower that down if I want, but I can't go any higher. Maximum number of times it can be used, I can set it to until expiration, or I could only allow that thing to work maybe up to 5 times. So that's the options up top here. Now I come down here to common area. What doors am I allowed to give them access to? Now I can control these in the app, but what doors am I allowed to give access to? I want to be able to give Derek Coates the ability to send out pins that work at the guest entry and maybe the resident common doors. I don't want them to be able to send out pins to any of the other areas, and that's the only places I have my keypads at anyway, possibly. So I choose those options. I click on update mobile device. It's going to send these changes out to the Blue Sky app on Derek's phone, and he will be able to send out pins to anyone that he needs to. That's how we do visitor management for the staff. Thank you.